Welcome back to our digital learning station ICSE Prudence Coaching. Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the format for notice writing. This format is published by ICSE. So the board ICSE has already published the specific format for notice writing. So you can fully depend on this format. Dear students, you have asked so many questions regarding notice writing. Today we will clear all the doubts for you. Here you have wanted to know that which date should be mentioned, how you need to write the unique title, what will be the duration, how many places you need to mention in notice writing, how you are supposed to write the body of the notice, and what will be the marking scheme also. Today we are going to discuss everything about this notice writing. Let's get started with this sample question. As you can see students, here the question is about your school is hosting an inter-school debate competition. Now, write a notice for your school informing them of the event. Let's understand this answer. First of all, you need to mention here the unique title. The first one will be always the unique title. As this one is the inter-school debate competition, you have to write about the war of words. The first one is the unique title. So this is the war of words. For this unique title, you are going to get total 1 marks. Next line, you are supposed to mention about the common question title which is mentioned here. As you can see, this question is about inter-school debate competition. So we'll mention here like inter-school debate competition. For this title, this normal title, you are going to get 1 mark as well. Next line, you are supposed to mention the date of the event when it is going to be held. So this event, as we have planned, it will be occurring on 13th January 2025. So here we have mentioned the date in this way, 13th January 2025. As you can see students, after 13th January we need to give one comma and then we'll write the year. So 13th January 2025. For this you are going to get 0.5 marks or half marks. That means till now we have understood about these 3 lines. The first one is the unique title. Second line, it is about the normal question title, and the third line, it is about the date. Now we are going to learn about the 4th line. This 4th line is all about the duration of the event. As we have planned, the program will start at 9 in the morning and it will be ending up at 12 noon. So that is why we have mentioned the timing from 9 AM to 12 noon. Now for this timing or the duration, you are going to get 0.5 marks. Now the next line is very important, because here you need to mention the 2 places. What are the 2 places? The first place, it is about the smaller part or where specifically the event will be conducted, and the second one will obviously the name of the school in which this place is belonging to or is a part of. So first one, here we have mentioned at Centenary Hall. This is the hall or auditorium, or we can mention stadium here. Now the first one is the smaller places and the next one will be the name of your school. The first one is at Centenary Hall and name of the school we have mentioned St. John Peter School. You can write the name of your own school here. For this stage you are going to get half plus half. That means 1 mark for this line as well. Now directly we'll come to this body of this notice writing. In this body, if you can write 100% accurately, then obviously you will score 1 here. How? Next we need to understand that. So we have written that all pupils means here students. So all pupils from classes 9 and 10 who wish to participate are to give their names to Mrs. Sudha Bhatnagar on or before 6th January 2025. So students, you can see that we have mentioned the classes, those who are going to participate in this event, to whom they are going to submit their names, and what will be the last day of submission. Now dear students, few things I want to tell you which will definitely be very helpful for you. In this case, as you can see here, the dates play a major role in the notice writing. Here the first date we have mentioned here, as you can see, this is 13th January 2025. Which type of date is this? This date is the date of event when it will be conducted. Now here we have mentioned another date. This date means before this date the students will be submitting their names. Now you need to know that from this date of submitting their names and to the date of the final event, there should be at least 1 week gap. That means 7 days gap should be there, as we are writing the date. When we'll be mentioning the date, there must be at least 1 week gap between the date of event of submitting the name and the final date of the event when it is going to be conducted. Dear students, we have disclosed all the part and parcel of the notice writing. If you have any other queries regarding this notice writing in ICSE board, you are free to ask. You just do the comment. We will be responding you back at the earliest. Dear students, if you find this content really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe, share and like our content. Your one like will cost nothing, but it will motivate us to provide you more interactive and interesting contents. Thanks for watching, students. Have a nice day ahead. Goodbye. We'll be meeting in the next video very soon. Till then, keep watching, keep improving. Goodbye everyone. Have a nice time. Goodbye.